Hello everyone, it's Hanny. This video is part of a video hop from the Facebook group Art Joy of Sharing, hosted by Shell C and Peg Robinson, sorry Peg. And the hashtag is favorite things. And well, I had a little note on which I wrote down what I would tell, but I think I put everything in the description below. So well, like I said, the hashtag, I don't know where the note is. Where is it? I always lose things. Well, the hashtag is favorite things. Well, I have lots of favorite things. Lots. I like to work with all kinds of stuff, and well, one of my favorite things at this moment is my new cameo, of silhouette cameo, but that is not what this video is about. I have more favorite things, and what I'm working with is paper. Just paper and lace and fabric, all kinds of fabric. Those are my favorite things at the moment. Papers. Well, you have lots of papers. Doilies, corrugated cardboard, ledger paper, homemade paper. I make my own paper. This one, I made them from old, well, junk mail. These are all homemade papers. Napkins. Coffee, tea dyed papers, cardstock, magazine papers, just pattern papers, all kinds of pattern papers, wallpapers. I love wallpapers. Wrapping paper. Painted papers. Well, there are lots more deli paper, washi tape, well, whatever you have, playing cards, whatever. And what I do with those papers, well, when I have big pieces, I make signatures like these. These are signatures. I use, well, just plain paper. Tea-dyed papers, book papers, another book paper, tea-dyed paper, writing paper, wallpaper, and handmade paper, doilies. So I make ledger paper signatures with them. And with the signatures, I make a journal, a junk journal. And this is cardboard and marble papers and wallpaper. Well, you see it, all kinds of paper. And I love making junk journals. And what do I make? Oh yeah, here is a journal that's, well, ready. With a doily, a crochet doily, and, well, a playing card. Well, I did a flip through, and I'm making embellishment with papers and lace and buttons too, and all kinds of little stuff. Making journaling cards with it, collage with all those papers. These are journaling cards to be. because I decorated one side and I have to do the other side. These are magazine papers I use for that, and book papers. So I make journaling cards with this, and I have some ready, I guess. This is one that's ready. A journaling card. Tags. I'm making tags with it. Little booklets. Like so. Oh yeah, I'm making stamps with little scraps. Well, you can do a lot with paper and lace. So journaling cards and, like I said, tags, all kinds of tags, and paper clip. These are paper clips. This is a pen holder made with paper and some lace. Little booklets, all kinds of little booklets. Snippets from paper and lace and all kinds of things. This is only with paper. These are snippets only with, only with fabric snippets. Yeah, these are all fabric snippets, and those things, don't know how you call that, but just do that. And what do I have more? I make little, well, I tear them in little pieces of paper, and I make little clusters with it, like so. And well, then I put some text on it, on the little clusters. I can use those for everything I make, for on tags or journaling cards or journals. Flowers, I'm making flowers with from book papers, buttons, yarn, well, all kinds of paper, and this is fabric. Well, you see, I do a lot with paper. I collect paper. When I go to the thrift store, I collect cards, playing cards, all kinds of playing cards. Those two I got from a friend, 2 playing cards for in journals. That's paper too. I die cut. I use my Silhouette Cameo for cutting paper, fussy cutting paper. Oh, what do I more with paper? Well, I paint on paper, but nowadays I'm not touching paint that much. So that's what I do with paper. That's my favorite thing, and fabric, and all kinds of fabric, little snippets. And where are my papers? Well, here I have my scraps. Well, it's a box with scraps. I can't get it now because I stapled, or I piled it up with other things, so yeah, what shall I do? Tell you some more, or do something with paper so I can show something to you? Well, I cleaned up a bit because it was a big mess now. I could make a little journaling card, or collage a little journaling card with you, together with you. Already this is the writing side, the journaling side. So you can journal on this because the papers are very neutral. How do we call that? So I will decorate this side. Well, I'm going to decorate this with paper, and I think I'm going to do it fast forward, this piece, because the video is taking too long when I don't. So, I think this is enough, and I can put it in a journal, in my new journal, the journal I'm making. Well, I'll just take a signature. I'm looking for a place where I can put it. Could put it here. Could make a pocket of it, but it's a journaling card, so I could put it in a pocket, or I can clip it on with a paper clip. Well, I don't know if I have a good paper clip, but I will do it with an ordinary paper clip now, because I have to make some. So you can tuck it in like so for in your journal. Well, that's it. That's what I'm doing with all kinds of paper. So if you want to see more favorite things of the other artists, well, you have to click on the first link in the video description on YouTube below this video, and just click on the first link, and well, you hop along, and when you are back with me, well, you're done with all the hops, or with all the videos in the hop. So, thank you for watching. Bye bye.